Hey guys, how's it going? There's people out here that are either retired, or maybe they're disabled, or they just, for whatever reason, don't have a job. And for those people, you need to understand that you probably would be better off if you would just start your online business. Now, I know that's scary because you don't know anything about it, you don't know how to do it. But aside from that, that cliche that actually is completely true. And that is, if you don't use it, you'll lose it. So if you're not using your brain to do things, learn new skills, then it's gonna rot away. And I've seen it rotting away. I find people that are retired that all they do is sit around and use their thumbs on a phone trying to play a game or something like that. Come on, guys. You could do more. Tell you what, check out the bio, check out the links, and let's talk. Leave me some kind of comment. Later, guys. Bye.